Hey guys, welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. Today we are making the stand. Super excited. Here it comes.
Keep going. This is what I want.
So first, I actually need to redo this hole that I put in. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to actually put this at the bottom, and the other cookie will go up at the top, so that that's what you see from the acrylic side. I think that'll look a lot better. Now what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to actually do a dry fit for everything, and then after everything is solid and everything looks smooth and level, then I'm going to go back and take everything apart and I'm going to actually put some glue down. I think that'll help it be that much sturdier. Alright, let's keep working. There we go. Guys, look at this thing, man. I am so excited. I love it. I can't believe how it's turning out. They're actually really solid. So I'm going to add these little cookies on, all right, and they're going to go right here on top of each of these to give me that much more space, just a little bit more, just so I can have a little bit more leg room to help me so I can play this thing and actually have some fun with it. All right, looks like we can remeasure and then start cutting. I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. All right, there's my line. Let's cut. Oh man, I think this looks excellent. So how will I attach these to these? Turned out great. Let's keep doing it. Right there. Yes. So that makes a nice platform at the top for my acrylic to go on. Excellent. Okay, so it's kind of a process, but it's not too bad. that all looks good. Okay, next one over, right there. Let's first get through. Ah, fruitcake. It just pulled it right down. Shoot. Well, that's exactly what I was trying to prevent. Darn. Pull it right down. Well, you know what? Let's do it then on the other side. Let's see how this works. It looks pretty good. I'll stop there. I think this process was much, much better. There we go. Yes. There we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This thing is done, man. I'm super excited. A couple things. I want you to comment your suggestions. If you think there's a better way for me to do this. This thing is not glued together yet. It's screwed together, but I can take it apart really quick and I can reverse some things. If you have any ideas, please let me know your comments and the suggestions. But I'm super excited, man. This thing is going to be solid. I feel like this 1/4 inch acrylic is going to do exactly what I need it to do. Shout out to Jesse for helping me out financially with this. Shout out to Sasha for the designs for the cymbals. Shout out to Kevin Montgomery. Whoop, whoop, whoop. He's working on the drum rims right now. You'll see the cymbal designs by Sasha next week, hopefully. And then I've got Justin Eddy. Shout out to Justin Eddy. He is working on the actual 3D print of those drum rims. So a lot more to come. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And hopefully I'll see you on the next Mini Drum Monday. You guys have a great day. All right? God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching.